Are you ready to transform your future? Discover why opportunities to study at Japan's leading universities and to build your career are calling you. Japan is a world leader in mobility, robotics, electronics, green technology, and medical technology. Experience the fusion of traditional monozukuri, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge innovation in Japan. Here, you have the opportunity to study, research, and work in world-class research environments. Work directly with cutting-edge technology companies and see how innovation shapes society. International students gain hands-on experience through internships and joint research with Japan's industry pioneers. This is where your learning connects with real-world impact. Your journey begins with preparation. Developing research proposals, choosing right universities, enhancing language skills, and preparing to engage with the world. Over the past 16 years, IIT Hyderabad has built strong partnerships with Japanese universities, industries, and organizations through the JICA Friendship Project, with many more signed to strengthen collaboration. In 2021, the IITH Japan Desk was launched to take these collaborations further, creating new opportunities for students and researchers to connect with Japan. Join the growing IITH Japan alumni network. Researchers and professionals who discovered their passion for Japan during their studies. Today, around 120 IITH graduates have earned their degrees in Japan, and they are now part of a vibrant community active across industry, academia, and startups in Japan and around the world. Listen to how alumni transformed their studies in Japan into opportunities that shaped their careers.
My PhD, I collaborate with international company and also Japanese company in order to design anti-biofouling biomaterials, where I learned about machine learning. So in 3 years of time in my PhD, I not only gain new expertise, but I also develop new skills. Aside from that, your collaboration skill will improve if you join in Japanese university. And not only that, many Japanese university have exchange program with European and American university. So you also can explore those kind of opportunities. Now I am an assistant professor, and if I talk about my working environment in Japan, it is pretty much flexible and there is almost no language barrier. I can teach and I can interact with international student and Japanese student with English language. So I would suggest if you join in Japanese university, your career growth will be high. And not only that, you will get an opportunity to job in Japan and also in foreign country.
When you need information about Japan, the first place to go is the Japan Desk. If you are interested in studying in Japan, there are many opportunities, from full degree programs to short-term exchanges and internships, as well as joint research and co-supervision with Japanese universities. The Japan Desk provides details on these opportunities, including scholarships and funding offered by the Japanese government, universities, and private companies, along with practical guidance on studying and living in Japan. At the Japan Desk, you will find the information you need to take your next step. Your journey of discovery awaits. Many who came to study stayed to build their careers. And when your studies end, your journey continues. Japan is not only a place to study, it can be the starting point of a truly global career. Your future starts here, in Japan. From Japan to the world, your learning becomes the bridge to tomorrow. What will you discover in Japan?